You hook up to Mutro Online, your YouTube school, your online school. Subscribe, like, and share. Teacher Mugunza is my name, math and physics educator. Before you have a scenario about mappings and relations, a senior two topic. When you look at the elements of construct, this is in section A and probably item 1. That is what it encompasses. Business mathematics, functions, given these functions here. So now, we have that a tourist visited the following places in Africa: Nairobi, Kenya, Kampala, Tanzania, Uganda, Dodoma, Tripoli, and Libya. Then our task as students, they want us to organize the above information, on an arrow diagram. Then they want us to state the relation and the type of mapping. Now, if you learn mappings and relations, that these mappings, it's a relationship between two objects. Now, when you look at these places, there is some kind of relationship, there's some kind of connection. At least when you look at Kenya, again, you are seeing Nairobi, you realize that one is the capital city of the other, and other places. In other scenarios, they can give you mountains, and then maybe their local names, or maybe their highest peaks. So make sure you know these things. It can cut across the geography and all that. So make sure you still know these things, the geographical features of the country. They can give you mountains of Africa and their highest peaks, or maybe their names. And then for you, you'll be required to use or to arrange the information using an arrow diagram. Straight away, this information here, we shall now have, after knowing that it is about arrow diagram, and so this is under mappings, and under mappings we have two parts, that is the domain and the range. So we shall straight away have the domain part or the input part of it, and then we shall have the output part of it, which is the range. So this is domain, and then this is the range. But we have to put here the relationship, the relation that we are going to use. Now, when you read the information, we have in capital cities and then countries. So I'm going to have a relation and say, is a capital city of. Now, we have countries which are capital cities of some countries. So our relation, or the connection, that joint that is going to connect the domain and then the range, we are going to use is a capital city of. Now, if we say it's a capital city of, that means it is always the capital cities that will be put on the domain. Before that, if I'm a Ugandan, then before Uganda exists, Kampala must be there. So Kampala is there, then Uganda exists. Before Kenya exists, there must be Nairobi. So in the domain part, we shall put here the cities of these countries, but you must make sure you don't mix them. That means you must be in the know of the capital cities of the different countries given. So when you look at that, you realize that Nairobi is the capital city of Kenya. So we shall put here Nairobi, and then I'm also seeing Kampala, which is the capital city of Uganda, and then we are seeing Dodoma here, and then we are seeing Tripoli, which is the capital of Libya. Now, Nairobi goes with Kenya, Kampala goes with Uganda, and Dodoma goes with Tanzania, then Tripoli goes with Libya. Now you use an arrow diagram, and these arrows must point on the side of the range, like that. So that is our arrow diagram. Using the relationship or using the relation is a capital city of. Nairobi is a capital city of Kenya. Kampala is a capital city of Uganda. Dodoma is a capital city. Make sure that it tallies. Now, they said state the relation. The relation is here. That statement that just joins the domain part and then the range part. So that is a capital city of as our relation. Then the type of mapping, you realize that Nairobi maps with Kenya. So only one element in the domain maps with only one element in the range. So this type of mapping is one-to-one type of mapping. Other types of mapping can also be given in the different scenarios as we are going to, or as prescribed in other videos, the previous videos at Omto Online. Subscribe, like and share.